Okay, we got this double column here. Wells bandsaw here. It has an automatic stop thing here. It has a bar feeder that's not on it. We have it here. There's not enough room for it around here right now. But anyhow, I started up, cut this piece here. It's got this lever action feed thing here. Lift this lever up and it cuts. So as you're cutting, you kind of go slow through the thicker section of metal there. And then it's got a fairly fine rake blade on it right now. This would be cutting a bigger chunk of metal. So it's gone through the heavy, thick part of that metal. Doesn't have coolant on it right now. Goes through, it'll automatically shut off and go up. Alright, so might be a little warm. Tube cuts. Square. Anyhow, it's got a lot of capacity here. It's a 15 by 17. So, got an adjustable thing here to adjust the height. It hits this micro switch up and down. So what you do is you lift this up and turn the saw on. It gets down to the bottom down there, and then it shuts it off and it goes back up again. Pretty simple. It also has a pressure sensing thing here. How much pressure is on the blade on both sides here. It doesn't feed down too much.